Hey, what's up guys? This is Amin and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel Learn with Amin. Today I want to talk about YouTube video SEO. Yes, this is very important tutorial for all freelancer and individual people who is really want to learn about YouTube video SEO. So this is complete video series for everybody who is really interested to learn YouTube video SEO. So let's get started. Yes, first of all, we will learn about YouTube video SEO. But before we start, we want to know our course details. So this is paid course, but I want to give this course for my audience completely free. So you will get premium value for this course. Okay. So what we will learn in this course for the YouTube video SEO full course, what we will learn. So basically we will learn what is YouTube video SEO and why it's important, the first one. Then the second class we will learn how to do SEO for any videos, how to optimize our videos. So number 3 is how to get client for video SEO. After complete the learning process, try to get clients for our service like YouTube video SEO service. If you want, you can sell your service. Also you can implement in your video in your YouTube videos for ranking. So this is very important, and also I will teach you how to convince your clients to sell your service, and finally how to get your first payment. So first of all, we want to start what is YouTube video SEO and why it's important. So this is very important tutorial. Please hit the subscribe button and please like this video, and definitely I will publish all the video for you. So first of all, we will know about what is YouTube video SEO and why it's important. So this is very important questions for us before we start the YouTube video SEO course. This is very important questions. So if you ask or if you want to know about it, what is YouTube video SEO and why it's important? YouTube video SEO or search engine optimization is the process of optimizing YouTube videos and channel to rank higher in search results. The goal is to attract more organic traffic and reach a targeted audience. I think you got the point, but I want to explain everything on YouTube. So I want to jump on YouTube and I want to explain everything. Okay, so let's go on YouTube. Okay, so right now I am on YouTube and I want to search with a keywords. I think you know about the keywords. When you will search or anybody will search on YouTube search bar with any words, it's called keywords. Also I will make a video in future, complete keyword research for YouTube video. Definitely that will help you to understand what is keywords and how to do keyword research for YouTube videos. So here I just write here how to fix LinkedIn login problem. I'm facing a problem, so that's why I'm just search here how to fix LinkedIn login problem. No captcha captcha user no captcha problem, or okay. So here you see I just put the keywords and hit the search bar. Then there are lots of videos here showing here. Just see here 1 2 3 4 5. My video is number 5. So this is very important part for video SEO. Normally when you will optimize any YouTube video, the main goal is ranking. So when you want to sell your YouTube video SEO service, client will say please optimize my video because I want to rank my keywords. I want to rank my video with these keywords. So this is very important. So this is the this is very important thing, and this is main goal for any videos. The first goal is ranking, then the second goal is when the video will rank on first page, viewers will click this video and definitely they will watch this video, and this is the actual goal, I think. So keyword is very important, and when you will research proper keywords and implement with your videos, definitely that video will definitely rank. So I will explain everything. Suppose I want to click this video. Okay, so I want to click this video, and you will see there are a lot of things here to rank, and definitely I will explain everything for next video, how to optimize
Hey, what's up,
keywords,
guys?
so the next video I will make for how to optimize this video completely, how to research YouTube video title and implement your keywords, also how to write description and how to optimize everything, tags, also how to create a SEO friendly thumbnail, everything. So no worry, I will explain everything. So this is part 1, and this is very basic discussion. And if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and comment below. I will publish the next video as soon as possible. So till then, bye bye.